retention. What if the pain in your leg isn't just pain? What if it's your body quietly warning you that something is seriously wrong? Many adults over 60 brush off leg discomfort as a normal part of aging. A little soreness is expected. Probably arthritis. I must have slept wrong. But here's the scary truth. Some types of leg pain are not harmless. In fact, ignoring certain symptoms could lead to blood clots, nerve damage, loss of mobility, or even life-threatening emergencies. Today, we're revealing the critical leg pain signs you should never ignore after 60, and what your body might be trying to tell you before it's too late. Stay with me, because sign number 4 sends thousands of seniors to the hospital every year. Let's begin. Why leg pain after 60 is different. As we age, our bodies go through major changes. Circulation slows down, muscle mass decreases, joints experience decades of wear, nerves become more sensitive, recovery takes longer. This means leg pain is no longer something you should automatically dismiss. Sometimes it's your body sounding an alarm. Think of pain as a message, not an inconvenience. Your job is to listen. Let's go over the warning signs. Sign number 1, sudden leg swelling. If one leg suddenly becomes swollen, especially when the other looks normal, this is not something to watch and wait. It could indicate a deep vein blood clot. Blood clots are extremely dangerous because they can travel to the lungs and block oxygen flow. This is called a pulmonary embolism, and it can become fatal within minutes. Watch for these symptoms. One leg larger than the other, tight, shiny skin, warmth in the swollen area, pain when standing or walking. Who is at higher risk? Adults over 60, people who sit for long periods, recent surgery patients, frequent travelers, smokers. Do not massage the leg. Do not try to walk it off. Call a doctor immediately. Fast treatment saves lives. Sign number 2, burning pain or electric sensations. Does your leg ever feel like it's on fire? Or like tiny electric shocks are running through it? That's not normal aging. This may signal nerve damage, often linked to diabetes or spinal problems. When nerves are injured, they misfire, sending pain signals even when nothing is physically wrong. Ignoring it can lead to permanent nerve loss. Early clues include tingling, numbness, pins and needles, sharp shooting pain, extreme sensitivity to touch. Here's why this matters. Loss of nerve sensation means you may not notice injuries, which can lead to infections or dangerous falls. Early treatment can slow or even stop progression. Never ignore nerve pain. Sign number 3, leg pain that appears when walking. Does your leg hurt after a short walk but feel better when you rest? Many seniors assume this is just muscle fatigue, but it may actually be peripheral artery disease, often called PAD. PAD occurs when arteries narrow due to plaque buildup. Less blood reaches your legs, less oxygen reaches your muscles, and walking becomes painful. This is a major red flag, because PAD doesn't just affect the legs, it dramatically increases your risk of heart attack, stroke, cardiovascular disease. Your legs might be the first place the warning shows up. Don't ignore these clues. Cramping during activity, legs feeling heavy, slow healing wounds, cold lower legs, shiny skin. The earlier PAD is caught, the better the outcome. Movement, medication, and lifestyle changes can restore circulation. Waiting makes it worse. Sign number 4, severe calf pain that won't go away. This is the one many doctors fear most. Persistent calf pain, especially if it's deep and throbbing, should never be ignored. Again, this could point to a blood clot. But here's the problem. Blood clots often look harmless at first. Some people mistake them for muscle cramps. Others assume dehydration. But clots don't go away on their own. They grow. And if they break loose, they can travel straight to your lungs. Seek urgent care if you notice pain when flexing your foot, redness, warm skin, sudden tenderness. Do not delay. Minutes matter. Sign 5, leg weakness or giving out. Have you ever stood up and your leg simply didn't support you? That moment of instability is more than frustrating, it's dangerous. Sudden weakness can indicate nerve compression, mini strokes, spinal stenosis, muscle deterioration. And falls after 60 are one of the leading causes of serious injury. Hip fractures change lives forever. Loss of independence often follows. If your leg frequently feels unreliable, get evaluated. Strength problems rarely fix themselves. Sign number 6. Pain that gets worse at night. Nighttime pain deserves special attention. Why? Because when the body is at rest, pain signals often become clearer. Leg pain that intensifies while lying down could suggest circulation problems, advanced artery narrowing, nerve compression. Some people even hang their leg off the bed seeking relief, because gravity helps blood flow downward. That is a major warning sign. Don't ignore it. Sign number 7. Skin color changes. Take a moment to look at your legs regularly. Healthy legs typically have consistent coloring, but if you notice pale skin, bluish tones, dark patches, red streaks, your circulation may be compromised. Skin is often the first visible sign of vascular trouble, and remember, poor circulation slows healing. Even small cuts can become dangerous infections. Sign number 8. Leg pain with shortness of breath. This combination is a medical emergency. If leg pain is followed by chest pain, sudden breathlessness, rapid heartbeat, dizziness, call emergency services immediately. This may indicate a clot has traveled to the lungs. Never drive yourself. Never wait it out. Act fast. Why seniors often ignore these signs. Many older adults grew up believing, don't complain. Pain is part of life. Just tough it out. But modern medicine tells us something different. Pain is information. Ignoring it doesn't make you strong. It makes you vulnerable. Listening to your body is one of the smartest health decisions you can make. Hatch how to protect your legs after 60. The good news? Many serious conditions are preventable. Here's how to dramatically lower your risk. Move every day. Walking improves circulation, strengthens muscles, and keeps arteries flexible. Even 20 minutes daily makes a difference. Motion is lotion for aging joints. Stay hydrated. Dehydration thickens the blood, increasing clot risk. Drink water consistently throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Eat for vascular health. Focus on foods that support blood flow. Leafy greens, berries, salmon, nuts, olive oil. Reduce processed foods and excess salt. Your arteries will thank you. Avoid long periods of sitting. Whether watching TV or traveling, stand up at least once every hour. Flex your ankles, rotate your feet, keep blood moving. Schedule regular checkups. Ask your doctor about circulation screenings, especially if you have diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. Early detection saves limbs and lives. A quick reality check. Here's something many people don't realize. Your legs often reveal health problems years before a major cardiac event. They're like an early warning system. Ignore the signal, and you may miss your chance to prevent something catastrophic. Pay attention. Act early. Stay mobile. Final thoughts, emotional close. Growing older is a privilege. Your legs have carried you through decades of memories, family moments, career milestones, adventures, challenges. They deserve care, they deserve attention, and most importantly, they deserve to be heard when something feels wrong. Never dismiss persistent pain, never assume it's just aging, and never hesitate to seek medical advice. Because the sooner you act, the more freedom, strength, and independence you protect for the years ahead. Chash, strong call to action, high engagement. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone over 60. You could genuinely help save a life. And tell me in the comments, do you ever experience leg pain? And what does it feel like? I read every comment. Stay active, stay informed, and take great care of your health. I'll see you in the next video.